Ever thought about transforming your chill time into a lucrative venture? What if I told you that you could turn a leisurely activity into cold, hard cash? Picture this: $2.80 for just one video, and an astounding $28 for indulging in 10 videos online. Today, I'm diving into one of the most successful and captivating methods of making money online. Watching videos is not just a pastime anymore, it's your ticket to a thriving income. Are you ready to uncover the strategies for significant earnings through video consumption? Stick around as we delve deep into the fascinating world of online video monetization. Rest assured, I won't leave you hanging. I'm here to guide you through each step, ensuring you're well equipped to start raking in substantial sums of money swiftly. Let's kickstart this journey and turn those video views into a profitable revenue stream. Greetings and welcome to the Virtual Money, where making money online is a breeze. On this channel, we provide you with the latest and most effective strategies for online income generation. If you find this video valuable, don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Be the first to access our newest content and implement groundbreaking techniques to boost your earnings. Now, let's jump right into it. But first, head over to this exciting new website that offers you the opportunity to earn money by watching videos. I'll reveal the name shortly, so stay tuned. Believe it or not, individuals have already cashed in a staggering $500,000 from this platform, averaging over $4.70 every single day. Are you ready to embark on this exciting journey? Just hit that register account button to kickstart your adventure. Once you're on the registration page, it's time to personalize your experience. Choose a unique username, enter your email, set up a password, and tackle the "I am not a robot" challenge. Don't forget to give a nod to the terms and conditions before hitting that register button. But hey, if you're all about convenience, breeze through the sign-up process using your Twitch or Gmail accounts. Once you're logged in, take a peek at the dashboard. Here's where the magic happens. Explore the myriad money-making opportunities tailored just for you. And guess what? This website is the real deal, backed by its stellar 4.5-star rating on Trustpilot. But wait, there's more good news. You can cash out your earnings through a variety of payment methods available in your country. Worried about the withdrawal process? Fear not. The website provides specific instructions based on your region. And here's the cherry on top. You only need $2 to withdraw your winnings straight to your bank account. Now, isn't that just fantastic? So buckle up and let's dive into this exhilarating ride of making money online. All right, let's dive straight into step number 2 of our exhilarating money-making journey. Once you've landed on your dashboard, it's time to rev things up. Seek out that special Earn button and give it a satisfying click. It's like unlocking the door to a realm brimming with exciting opportunities to earn money online. We're talking about a smorgasbord of options here. Completing offers, playing games, tuning into Twitch streams, grooving to music, checking out video clips, and much more. But for today's escapade, let's focus on the art of making money by indulging in video content. As you navigate to the Earn page, keep an eye out for the golden Watch Streams option. Give it a click, and presto, you're officially in the zone. And guess what? You don't even need a Twitch account to join these streams, so no worries if you're not already signed up. Get ready to be dazzled by the plethora of videos awaiting your eager eyes. It's like stepping into a gaming buffet with all your favorite titles lined up, from GTA 5 to Valorant, League of Legends, and a whole lot more. By the way, I'm curious, what are your go-to games? Drop a comment below and I'll make sure to whip up more content tailored just for you. Now picture this. You stumble upon a video that piques your interest. Click on it, and boom, you're whisked away to a page where you can immerse yourself in the gaming video while pocketing some real cash. It's like getting paid to have a blast. But wait, it gets even better. For every minute you spend enjoying these videos, you're racking up $2 points. And guess what? The earning excitement can soar to a whopping $2.80 per minute. That's some serious moolah, isn't it? Now, here's a fantastic bonus tip for you. When you're in the video player, head over to the settings, hunt down the quality option, and select 160 quality. This nifty trick pulls off a double bonus. Firstly, it conserves your precious internet data. We all know how crucial that is, right? And secondly, it ensures a smooth and uninterrupted viewing experience, allowing you to soak in those videos without a hitch. Get ready to witness the real magic unfold. Are you prepared for this? Brace yourself, because here comes the golden move that will turbocharge your your earnings. Are you sitting down? Good. Here it is, open multiple videos in different tabs all at once. Why, you ask? Let me break it down for you. If one video brings in a cool $2.80 per minute, just imagine the possibilities when you have not one, not two, but 10 videos running simultaneously. That's a mind-blowing $28 per minute. Talk about multiplying your earnings while indulging in some awesome content. So go ahead and pop those tabs open like a pro multitasker. You'll be rolling in the cash while treating yourself to a variety of fun videos. It's like hitting the jackpot of earnings and entertainment. Now, let's kick our money-making adventure up a notch with step 3. Every 5 minutes, get ready for an exciting journey filled with short, viral videos that will stuff your pockets. And I mean literally. But before you dive into this cash-filled frenzy, grab the live stream app for your trusty Android or iOS device. It's as easy as pie, I promise. Once you've got the app installed, find your username and log in. Now, immerse yourself in those short and trending videos. For every 5 minutes you spend watching, you're in for a sweet cash reward. We're talking anywhere from $1 to a whopping $10. The longer you indulge, the more your money sack grows. It's like a cash infusion every 5 minutes. But hold on, there's a delightful bonus waiting for you. For every 5 minutes you spend watching, you'll snag a golden ticket. And guess what? This golden ticket can crank up your earnings even more. It's like a little surprise that adds an extra sprinkle of excitement to your cash fiesta. And who doesn't love maximizing that moolah? But wait, there's more. Let's venture into the realm of extra earnings. Explore a world of opportunities by completing different offers. This platform's got you covered with a wide range of options like playing games, taking surveys, and more. Click on Complete Offers and discover a treasure trove of opportunities. And here's a little secret to take your earnings to the next level. Keep an eye out for cool gaming apps to install. Dive into these games, have a blast, and score some extra cash while you're at it. It's a win-win opportunity for you. Now for the final step, number 4. It's time to reap the rewards of your hard work. Withdrawing your earnings is super simple. Just click on the withdraw button and voila, you'll be presented with 2 options. The first option allows you to withdraw your earnings as cash using popular cryptocurrencies like Litecoin, Bitcoin, or Ethereum. This means you can convert your earnings into these digital currencies and have them transferred to your cryptocurrency wallet. The second option is all about withdrawing your hard-earned cash in the form of gift cards. Take your pick from a range of options like Visa gift cards, Amazon gift cards, or even Roblox gift cards. So, if there's a specific gift card you've got your eyes on, this is the way to snag one. And there you have it. The secrets to earning a sweet $2.80 every minute by simply watching videos are now in your hands. If you're ready to turn your screen time into a cash-flowing adventure, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more money-making insights, and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest earning tips and tricks. Thanks for tuning in, money enthusiasts. Until next time, and happy earning.